Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox app if it's not working or opening on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, check your date and time. Right click on it, click on adjust date and time. And here make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. And then once that's enabled, click on sync now, and then just wait for it to load. And then after that, go ahead and test your Xbox app and check if it helps. If not, go ahead over to Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store and wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to the top, click on the search bar and type down Xbox. Hit on enter. Wait for it. And then if Xbox right here, okay, needs an update, update the Xbox app. And then once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. Okay. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and close Microsoft Store. Find your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. Okay. And then in here, just find Xbox, just like so. Click on the three dots right here besides Xbox and then click on advanced options. Now scroll down and then in here, click on terminate and then repair. Wait for the process to finish. And then once done, go ahead and test the Xbox app and check if it helps. If that still won't work, click on terminate and reset. Reset once more. Wait for it. And then once done, open up Xbox. This time, go ahead and run it as administrator. Okay. And everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix the Xbox app if it's not working or opening on Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.